Okay, this is a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500,
55,000 miles.
55,000 miles, original V8 Magnum.
5.2 liters.
And it's a 5.2 liter gas. And what our problem was with this truck, it was a crank no start. We went ahead and replaced the fuel pump, took off the bed because it wasn't starting, sounded like it was starving for fuel. And I mean, you know, we got that. And then we realized that it still wasn't starting.
The fuel pump, it wouldn't start. So what we done was we came onto this side. We checked the ignition control. We had no spark. We checked the spark plug wire.
Here,
we had no
let's
spark.
show you that, because some guys will tell you, check that for spark. We had no spark and none of our spark plug wires.
No spark to the distributor. We had no spark nowhere. No start, no spark, no nothing.
Right.
So after 2 sleepless nights of trying to figure this out, we was just about our wits' ends, and we was going to probably take it to the scrapyard. So I bought a new battery for it. We was going to take the battery out. I was going to take the fuse box out and the ECM over there. And I started looking, and I was noticing where all the spare fuses are. Like this one here, it says spare, and then it shows you your line of fuses. So I came across the one below the headlamp, the 40 amp headlamp fuse.
Which is that one.
I noticed that the ECM, it's actually the
engine control
30
module.
amp engine control module was missing. So
And
with this,
that
it was a $6 part, by the way, or $7. Install it.
No, I mean, we'll show you. This thing is pristine clean. And starts right up. So that was the issue that we came across and our solution. So if this helped you out, leave a like. And if you have any questions as far as a no crank or a no start,
3 days ago, not running, not started. So we took a gamble on it at 55,000 miles. And I guess the last mechanic that worked on it tried to sabotage the original owner and took that fuse out.
So, you know, if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. And that's it.